Hey everyone and welcome. There's been a lot of talk recently about China's advancements in artificial intelligence, and one area that's drawing significant attention is its application in law enforcement. Headlines are suggesting that AI police are now live and rapidly replacing human officers across the country. Today, we're going to delve into what's actually happening, separating the fact from the potential hyperbole, and explore the reality of AI's role in China's policing efforts. Understanding the claim, AI taking over law enforcement. The idea of AI completely replacing human police officers is a dramatic one. It conjures images of autonomous robots patrolling streets and AI algorithms making critical decisions. While China is indeed a leader in deploying AI for various purposes, including public safety, the reality of a complete human replacement is likely more complex and still in its early stages. What AI is actually being used for in China's policing? Surveillance and facial recognition. China has implemented widespread surveillance systems equipped with advanced facial recognition technology. AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of video footage to identify individuals, track movements, and potentially predict criminal activity. This is a significant area of AI application in Chinese law enforcement. Predictive policing. AI is being used to analyze historical crime data to identify patterns, predict potential hotspots for criminal activity, and allocate police resources more efficiently. This helps in proactive crime prevention. Traffic management. AI-powered systems are being deployed to monitor traffic flow, identify violations, and optimize traffic signals, leading to more efficient transportation and potentially safer roads. Data analysis and investigation. AI tools can analyze large data sets of crime reports, social media activity, and other information to help investigators identify suspects, uncover connections, and solve crimes more effectively. Virtual policing and citizen assistance. AI-powered virtual assistants and online platforms are being used to provide citizens with information, answer queries, and potentially handle certain non-emergency reports. The reality of replacing humans everywhere. A more nuanced picture. While AI is undoubtedly playing an increasing role in Chinese policing, the claim of humans being replaced everywhere needs closer examination. Augmentation, not full replacement. Currently, AI tools primarily serve to augment the capabilities of human police officers, providing them with more information, analytical power, and efficiency. Human officers still make critical decisions, conduct investigations, and interact directly with the public in most situations. Specific applications. The deployment of AI in policing tends to be focused on specific tasks and areas, such as surveillance in urban centers or data analysis in criminal investigations, rather than a complete overhaul of all policing roles. Challenges and limitations. AI in policing faces challenges such as potential biases in algorithms, concerns about privacy and civil liberties, and the need for human oversight and ethical considerations. These factors limit the extent to which AI can fully replace human officers. Public perception and acceptance. The widespread replacement of human police officers by AI could face public resistance and raise significant social and ethical debates. The potential future, evolution, not revolution? It's more likely that we'll see a gradual evolution of AI's role in policing, with AI taking on more routine tasks and providing increasingly sophisticated support to human officers. Fully autonomous AI police forces, if they ever become a reality, are likely still a significant way off due to technological limitations, ethical concerns, and the need for human judgment in complex situations. Ethical and societal implications. The increasing use of AI in law enforcement raises important ethical and societal questions that need careful consideration, including privacy and surveillance. The extent of data collection and surveillance raises concerns about individual privacy and civil liberties. Bias and discrimination. AI algorithms trained on biased data can perpetuate and amplify existing societal biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Accountability and transparency, determining responsibility. When an AI system makes an error or a flawed decision is a complex issue. Human oversight and control. Ensuring that humans retain meaningful control over AI-powered policing tools is crucial to prevent misuse and ensure accountability. Conclusion. AI is a powerful tool, not a complete substitute yet. While China is at the forefront of deploying AI in various aspects of governance, including law enforcement, the narrative of a complete and immediate replacement of human police officers everywhere is likely an oversimplification. AI is a powerful tool that is augmenting police capabilities, increasing efficiency in specific tasks, and raising important ethical questions. The future of policing will likely involve a collaboration between humans and AI, with the balance still being determined. Outro. What are your thoughts on the increasing role of AI in law enforcement? What benefits and concerns do you see? Share your perspectives in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more balanced and informative analyses of technology and its impact on society. Thanks for watching.